Okay, we're on the third problem on the practice test. This is also making decisions. It's the second problem on making decisions. We want to look at a variable called age, and if it's 21 or greater, we're going to print you may enter. Otherwise, we're going to print go home. So we're doing something on each side of the branch. So it's going to be an if with an else, and I'm going to copy these over. And we're going to go over here to Spider, and we're going to open up a few blank lines. And okay, it doesn't like blank lines that have spaces on them, so I got to go back here, and that'll make it happy now. And then we're going to paste in our prompts and our output, and I'm just going to select them, and I'm going to do Control-1 again to comment them out. And I really don't need these comments up here anymore, so I'm going to get rid of them. And I don't need these comments up here anymore, so I'm going to get rid of them. Okay, so I want to get the age, which is going to be an int. So age equals int. And then I want to convert the input. And the prompt is going to be, how old are you? And question mark and a space. Then we're going to check the value of age. If age is greater than or equal to 21, then we're going to print, you may enter. And if it's not true, then we need an else. There's nothing to check with an else. And we're going to print go home. Okay. So that should work. I think we can get rid of these comments here now again. And let's go ahead and run it. It's going to go through the other stuff that we did first. I'll do real quick answers here. And purchase price is 1. How old are you? We'll do 21. And it should say you may enter. Now you should always check both branches. And so we're going to do this all again. We're going to do 1, 4, and we will do 50 again. And this time we'll do 20 and hit enter. And so those are the two borderline cases, 20 and 21. One goes one way, the other goes the other. And since it works for both of them, we can probably be pretty sure that it'll work for other values that are bigger than 21 and other values that are less than 20. So that's the end of problem number 3.